Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Gemini. So let's start with these cards. We have Call, King of Fire, and Nine of Water. So, Gemini, you are someone really a very talented person and a practical person. You have a lot of knowledge, and you are someone who does things only when you feel the need to do it, when you honestly have that intention to do it. You are someone who does things only when you feel that it is the right thing to do, and that will work in the right way. So you have some kind of intuition working, and you have a vision in your heart, guys, about any particular situation, and you are confident about certain things, and that is the reason you are, you are the first one to step up towards some new choices or some new path, maybe in your career, or maybe in your life, in your personal life, whatever comes up. You are the one ready to take that first step. You are someone ready to embrace new ideas in your life, guys, and you feel extremely confident about your talents and skills. That may be the reason for your cheerfulness, for your strength, and you are uh, someone who knows the true purpose. So whatever you need to do, so you do it with clarity, and you have a deep faith in your skills and talents, and you are honest with the people around you, guys. Honest, uh, you want a very honest relationship with this person you love, and even in your life in general, guys, you are someone who is who is true to their heart, true to your feelings. So, whatever is right for you, you go towards that, and you are um not afraid to embrace new ideas, because you are extremely confident no matter what your situation is. So even in this relationship, maybe this person may give you certain ideas about something. You are confident, and you listen to them. You love to listen to people, and you are a very friendly person, guys, Gemini. And you are more authentic, and maybe your circumstances are um, bringing out that authenticity in your heart. You want to tell this person what you truly feel, or what you wish to tell them today, guys, Gemini. So you are in that circumstance. So this may be your energy, guys, or it may be their energy. So they are planning or thinking of revealing things about them to you, or it may be your energy, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Emperor. So just how we were speaking about confidence and strength. You are someone who knows your place and who knows your worth, and you are a leader, guys, born leader, Gemini. So in your life, you take things along your along the stride, like whatever it comes, you face it with confidence. Same way in this relationship, you are someone who knows exactly what you need to do, and um, you are extremely confident, handling your situation really well, and there may be people coming to you for your guidance or support, guys, Gemini. And you have a lot of experience, that may be the reason for that, guys. So that is what I see for your relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Four of Water. So there are a lot of opportunities coming your way, and maybe certain things may um, manifest, certain things may not, and the reasons may be that divine timing, guys. So everything will manifest at that appropriate timing. So you need not feel sad or disappointed over the things happening in your career situation, guys. You just need to trust your flow, trust the flow, trust the way things are unfolding in your circumstances, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Gemini, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for you all, guys, today. So in your circumstances, each and every one of us, we see the same event differently because our point of view is different, guys. So we need to know that. And if we want to change the way we are, we must change the way we perceive things and maybe the understanding that comes with it. So we are telling a story to ourselves, something of the past, and we are focused on certain things, and we are creating a story for ourselves, for our life, for our past. So whatever it is, when we change the way we see our circumstances, the way we perceive, so even that story is going to change dramatically, guys. And today you need to change the story of your relationship, guys. So over time you have come to a conclusion that this is what has happened, or this is you and this is that other person. So today you must be brave and ready to see the truth, ready to see your circumstances, see your past or maybe your present from a different point of view. So that is going to give you a better clarity, and you should be able to acknowledge your mistakes and all that good things you have done, maybe the remarkable things that you did in your past. So reframing the past, what has happened, is going to help you move forward with a greater wisdom and strength. So if you want a relationship, guys, You must rewrite the past, that story what you have in your mind, and do it only with the details that focus on your strengths and your good things, not on that shortcomings and not on challenges, whatever you faced, guys, in your life, in your past. So you must keep your focus on that positive attributes you had, and even that past person has had. So that is going to change the way things were in your past, and that way you will be able to heal, and you will have a lighter sense of feeling in your heart. You will feel really light and relieved when you do that, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you want a better relationship in your future, in your present, you need to do this, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the cloak of Christ. So with this card, guys, it just means that there is a person, a thing, or some kind of circumstance in your situation that is simply acting like a huge weight on your shoulders, pulling you down, pushing you down, holding you back instead of helping you to move forward. But you need to understand that there is divine grace waiting to unfold in your life today, guys. But you need to be free of these shackles, whatever is holding you back, and feel that confidence and strength in your heart. So your intuition will be guiding you today, guys. It may be telling you what you need to do. So maybe there is someone trying to control you, control your actions, or control your decisions today. Sorry, guys, decisions today. So whatever it is, it may be a person or your circumstance, whatever it is, you need to overcome that. You need to feel that release happening, guys. So when we give up on some things, when we release some things, whenever we are forced to do that, maybe you will feel that urge to move away from this control. So you have that some kind of a subconscious intuition to move away from the situation or away from this person. So when that happens, you need to understand that there is a divine blessing waiting to unfold in your life, guys. That is what is happening to you now. So there are better things waiting to fill your life, waiting to manifest in your life, and that is the reason this circumstance is being pushed away from you. That is causing a lot of pain for you, lot of fear. So you should not hold back just for the fear of what will happen in your future. So there is a great breakthrough waiting for you, guys. So you need to take this strong steps towards that. So first thing to do that is to give up this control that you feel in your situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And I have monthly reading in my other channel, and I'll be sharing the link in the description, guys, so you can watch that video in that channel, guys. And please subscribe if you like the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.